So guys, that's just my little sis watching YouTube and yes, finally. No, I don't like this. Please rent ticket. No, I hate. Bro. Wait guys, I'm back. I hate this guy. Guys, what did I get? Okay. Bro, I need some. How to get platinum?
LOL. What?
Guys, how do I get these 6K and my max is just 4 fruit. Kanta ko. Yes. What did Teacher Juki? What the fuck? Sikumapoy. Kadida, tupeti, nakadina poy. Sikumapoy. Tugid. Ito. Guys, I get this super rare. I don't know why. Name is Pumpkin Sodom. Okay. We have a new cat. Not again. I need to pay to this fucking cat. Sus. I like this. I wanted to buy Mr. Okay, ako yan. Start me. Tanta ko. Shit. I'm playing LOL. I wanted to buy this or I mean this or this. This guy is toast. Guys, you know, I buy this and this and this and this and this and not this and this on my old account, but I forgot the password. Wait, let me record this guy. 9F76C41C7. Shut up, you motherfucker. Guys, we are Filipino, so if you're English, just... Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, you motherfucker. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck. You motherfucker, fuck you, you motherfucker, bitch. Fuck you, motherfucker, you motherfucker, asshole, 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 asshole. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Loser, 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 you are so dumb. I'm gonna say, man, I'm gonna say, arise. No, not again. This guy. That's our dancing contest. You're dead. You're just getting one hit by my boom. Bro! It didn't die. Fuck you.
Ato si Kuya Ace, ato si Toti. Ato si Kuya Ace.
You're gonna win, lol.
Patay si Tot. Ato si Kuya Ace, ato si Toti.
This is... Quiet.
Shut up.
Tay! Rar!
I got your help. Help.
Guys, I need to edit this because I'm tired. Bye-bye.